Alright, I'm Jason. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Gamo Whisper. This is my first review, so give me a break. Well, I got my 4-power scope. As you can see, I have my caps off from the wind and stuff. I mean, this gun, it's shot a lot of squirrels. I've had this gun for a couple years now. I mean, I've kept it in pretty nice condition. Only thing that's really happened to it is that cap at the end of the barrels fell off. You know, I suggest that if you're a squirrel hunter, or just like you live in a city environment, kind of like me. I'm not really in the city, but I'm in Forest Lake, so I'm in city limits, but I'm not like in the middle of like a Walmart or something. I don't really have anybody around me, but city limits. And anyways, and you need a quiet pest control while just having fun shooting squirrels gun or something like that. Or I don't really suggest it for a target shooter. I haven't really had luck. The best pellets are the pointed Craftsman Premiers or something. Right now I'm using the hollow. I guess you really can't see that. Sorry if you can't see that. I just got done shooting the thing, making sure the sight is in. I got my tactical kit on it. Oh, this thing fell off too, but that doesn't really matter. The open sight, because I don't like open sights. My target's at about 15 yards away. There's gonna be a part 2 to this video. Yeah, I'll be shooting at that squirrel target too. There's not really much to say. I don't have a chronograph yet. QB78 will be here soon. I didn't really plan this, so excuse me not knowing what to say. Again, this thing's probably shot me at least 50 squirrels. I might be wrong, maybe 30, and at least 50 blackbirds. Maybe a lot more, probably. Sorry for that. The shop's down there. I didn't realize that I didn't have any pellets, but I did. But it's not my pellet, so I sighted it in at about 15 yards. Yeah. Here, let's see how quiet this thing is. I'll go grab my actually, I'll do that in another review. Do one more. Actually, let me go grab my other gamo. It's about 5 feet away from me right now. This one I've had for... This one I've had for quite some time. As you see, there's no sights. I used to just aim at the end of the barrel. It's beat up. I've stopped taking care of it, which I shouldn't have. It has a lot less cocking effort than that. It's way more louder. I mean, I would rather have this gun in good condition than the Gamo Whisper. Sometimes. Alright. First one I fire will be the Gamo Whisper. Here's my other one. I don't think that was really different. You can really tell the difference when you dry fire them, which is not a good idea. I don't suggest it, but here's my 2 gamos. I've been a big fan of gamos. This will be my, and I used to have a multi-pump, but they're very nice guns. Trigger pull, I don't really know how to tell a trigger pull until I get something with a good trigger pull, because nobody likes it, but I've had gamos forever. Yeah, so there'll be a part 2 to this video. I'll be shooting the target, couple pop cans, and a couple thingy-bajoggers, couple pellet cans. Let me sit down my guns. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please click on part number 2. Please comment, send me messages. Thanks guys, peace.